Welcome to the tutorial on the text input element. You choose the element in the menu, click on it, click on the element itself, and your options will show in the editor. Here you can choose a common text box, a small text box, or a large text box. The functionality will remain the same. Here you can assign a question that the learner has to answer in writing. It could be you can provide a little assistance. You can check the answer by selecting the box. You have to choose the correct answer. You can choose multiple correct answers if you wish. You write the correct answer. You can choose to ignore special characters or ignore case. You can also show a hint button. Save the lesson. From the user perspective, the assignment will look like this. What is the company's name? Type of E. I ask for a hint. It tells me that the next correct character is I. And that is how the text input element works.